We here at Cranbourne East Primary School acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which we meet today, the Bunurong people, and pay our respect to their elders past, present and emerging.
We would also like to acknowledge any Aboriginal or Torres Strait Islander people we have here today.
We will now sing the Australian National Anthem. In doing so, we will demonstrate two of our school values, responsibility and respect. When we sing with pride and stand up straight.
We welcome you to sign along with Auslan as well.
When we finish, we sit down quietly and listen for what is coming up next.
Australians, oh, let us rejoice, for we are one and free. We've golden soil and wealth for toil. Our home is good by sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts, all beauty rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage advance Australia fair. In joyful strains that let us sing, advance Australia fair.
Well, good afternoon everyone and welcome to this week's Cranbourne East Primary School Weekly Online Assembly. So good to see you all out there. Well, my first message is to congratulate and thank all of our students who give up part of their recess and lunchtime to walk around the grounds picking up the litter with buckets and tongs. Unfortunately, the way the wind blows across the school, a lot of rubbish blows in from the oval and the surrounding area and unfortunately ends up in the primary school. But because of your efforts, the school looks absolutely fantastic, children. I'm just so proud of everybody that participates in the Buckets and Tongs program. My next message is to thank all of our students in Year 3 and 5. And so those students are participating in the NAPLAN assessments, which are online this year. Just want to say how proud we are for all the energy and effort that you're putting in. Keep up the good work, everybody, and thank you. And finally, just a reminder about the Premier's Reading Challenge. The Premier's Reading Challenge, well, it's been in place in schools since 2005. And during that time, well, there's been well over 3.5 million students who have read well over 54 million books. And I know over many years, even at this school, many of our children have been involved in the Premier's Reading Challenge. Simple process. You just have to log on and enter the amount of books that you read. There are plenty of people at school and even at home that can help you with that. And why we encourage our students in Year Prep to 2 to read 30 books and students in Year 3 to 6 to read 15 books, it is just important that you read books. So if you don't reach that target, but if you do, absolutely fantastic. Or if you exceed that target, absolutely fantastic. Thank you, everybody. And as I say, it is just so important to read every single day. And finally, our SWPBS goal for next week, and it links to our students who do pick up rubbish around the school with the buckets and tongs, and that is we put rubbish in the bin, and that's linked to our value of responsibility. All right, thank you, everybody. Take care, and I look forward to seeing you around the school. Bye now.
I think the raisins will float inside the soda water because soda water is it's very fizzy and there's lots of soda in there, so I think.